Now hey guys, welcome back to new video and today I'm going to play Roblox. So in Roblox I'm going to try a new game known as anyways, let's try this one. Yep. Sorry for that. Mm, Yeah, Arsenal is starting. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you my pro skills. Oh, I think he's a hacker. Yes. Oh gosh. Huh? Again? Oh. Oh. I think there's a hacker in on our side. He left the game. Huh? What? What? Just kill him in the air. But how? Yeah, 2 kills. Told you I'm a pro at this game now. Yep, 3 kills. Put the counter up there. Oh, ignore this. Open up. What just happened? I don't even know. This guy has 1 kill. Oh no! I thought I was thinking that I'm dead now. Somebody just shooted me. What? What? Why? For all that I can. Yeah, another kill. 4 kills now. Hmm. Now I hate this gun. I hate this gun. Oh, oh. Never knew you can do this. Done. Just 6 kills. And I don't like Tech 9. Bad dog fish. He killed me in the air. Bro, what? Why? But, yeah. Okay. My game lagged. I was lagging. Yeah, and I was not uploading from such a while. Oh, I just killed two people, bro. Yes. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Oh. Boom. Yes. Oh no. First reload. Hmm. Who's killing me? Hmm. I, yeah, I think I'm better this time. I think I can take better now. Yeah, I kill him. Bro, wow. No, 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 no. Should I tell you something? 80% of people, 200% of people who watch my, only 3% of people subscribe to. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I placed 8. Finally. Safe house. With 2 weeks. Bro, what's wrong with you? Don't let him do that. Okay, I will let him do that. I think that's it for this video. We will meet again